In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a DIY that I did using thrifted items. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today I'm probably looking a little bit more casual than usual. That's because I have kind of been just spray painting things and DIYing things, a lot of the things that I got from thrift stores. So I want to share a few of the things that I DIY'd today with you guys. So the theme of my house right now is very like Victorian plus Gothic plus a little bit of Bohemian thrown in there. And so I've been collecting a lot of things from the thrift store, and then I get spray paint and then I spray paint them. And so I wanted to share with you guys, you don't have to like break your budget. You can actually find beautiful pieces at the thrift store that you wouldn't really necessarily find anywhere else. And then you could just make it your own, put your energy into it, color it the way that you want to. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. As you can see, these wall scones are gold, and to some of you, you guys might love it just the way it is, but for me, it is not my style. Like I said, I want my house to be very Victorian-like, very goth-like, but at the same time, very shiny and like in your face and bedazzled. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be coloring these a flat black color, and I'm going to go over it with some glitter. So let's get started. All right, so what you're gonna need for this tutorial is, of course, the things that you're gonna be spray painting. And I'm sorry for the lighting, I'm doing this in the garage, so the lighting might be a little bit off, but you're going to need spray paint of your choice. I'm using matte black here, and I have a glitter one here. I might use it, I might not. Then you're gonna need something to kind of line the area that you're working so you're not spray painting everything. And then you're gonna need a wet cloth just to kind of clean things up and wipe the dust and debris off of whatever you're gonna be working on. Okay, so starting off with this one, I'm gonna start with this one first, and I'm gonna start just wiping it down and wipe away all the dirt and whatever else is stuck on here that will prevent me from spray painting it nice and smooth. Okay, so now we're just gonna start to spray paint. So let's see how it goes. Make sure that you get into every little crack that you see, and go light-handedly because you don't want to like just spray a bunch right there in one spot because it will like run and you don't want it to look all runny. Let's go ahead and try the glitter. Let's see how it comes out. So I got these from, you can get them from Lowe's or Walmart. They're a little bit cheaper at Walmart. You always want to test it out on something else before you spray it on there, so you get a measure of how much you want to how much pressure you want to put on it and how much comes out. Like there's a blob right there if you guys can see. That's done. Let's move on to the smaller wall scones. I'm just gonna go ahead and start and speed through the tutorial so you guys enjoy this little spray painting clip. All right, so I'm gonna wait for these to dry, and then I'll show you guys the finished results in better lighting. All right, you guys, so my DIY project is all finished. I'm so in love with how it came out. I love the color. I love that glittery effect that it has. I wanna show you guys a close up. Like in the light, it reflects really, really nicely. And this is kind of what I was going for. The theme of my house is very Victorian, Gothic, along with a little bit of Bohemian thrown in there. And I love it. I love how everything is coming together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I think I'm going to be doing a few more of these thrift store DIYs. So let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys are interested, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.